Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Harinawati. I'm from X4D class. Minimal pairs pronunciation. Pair sound f versus v. In the initial position, fat versus that. In the final position, map versus map versus v. In the initial position, fan versus van. In the final position, leaf versus leave versus z. In the initial position, zip versus zip. In the final position, bass versus bass. Ch versus z. In the initial position, chip versus zip. In the final position, batch versus badge. K versus g. In the initial position, coat versus goat. In the final position, pig versus pig versus v. In the initial position, thin versus then. In the final position, bad versus bait versus v. In the initial position, then versus then. In the final position, had versus had versus z. In the initial position, sheep versus zebra. In the final position, mass versus beige. Law versus raw. In the initial position, light versus right. In the final position, feel versus feel. Alright, the next chapter is tongue twister. The first tongue twister is a good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. The second tongue twister is charming, judge, cheerfully, jump, and joke. The last tongue twister is silly, depressed, share, choose, and sang soft songs. I think that's enough for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.